Welcome back to the channel, knowledge seekers. Today, we're diving into a topic that's shaping the future of technology: explainable artificial intelligence. As AI becomes more powerful and integrated into our daily lives, understanding how it makes decisions is just as important as the decisions themselves. If you care about responsible AI development and want to stay informed about ethical tech, you're in the right place. Let's embark on this journey to uncover why explainable AI is crucial for our future and how it impacts everyone from developers to everyday users. Imagine visiting a doctor and being told to take a medicine without any explanation. You'd naturally be concerned, right? This is the situation we often face with advanced AI systems today. They provide answers, but we don't always know how those answers are reached. This lack of transparency is known as the black box problem in AI. Explainable AI, or XAI, aims to solve this by making AI's decision-making process clear and understandable. Let's explore how this shift from mystery to clarity is changing the way we interact with intelligent systems. Explainable AI, or XAI, refers to a set of methods and techniques designed to make AI decisions understandable and transparent to humans. Instead of just knowing what the AI decided, XAI helps us understand why it made that decision. The core components of XAI include transparency, interpretability, and trustworthiness. Think of it as moving from a black box, where inputs go in and outputs come out without explanation, to a glass box, where every step of the process is visible and understandable. This shift is essential for building trust in AI systems. At the heart of explainable AI are three key principles: transparency, interpretability, and trustworthiness. Transparency asks if we can see how the AI works. Interpretability questions whether we can understand its reasoning. Trustworthiness focuses on whether we can rely on its decisions. By addressing these aspects, XAI transforms AI from a mysterious tool into a reliable partner. This foundation is what allows users, businesses, and regulators to feel confident in adopting AI for critical tasks. To better understand XAI, let's use an analogy. Black box AI is like a magic trick. You see the input and the output, but the process in between is hidden. In contrast, glass box AI reveals every step, making it possible to follow the logic and reasoning behind each decision. This clarity is what enables users to trust and verify AI outcomes, especially in high-stakes environments. The move from black box to glass box is a game changer for responsible AI deployment. So, why is explainable AI suddenly so important? Early AI systems used simple rules that were easy to understand, but modern AI, especially deep learning, relies on millions of parameters far too complex for any human to fully grasp. This complexity means we can't always trace how decisions are made, which is a problem in areas like healthcare, finance, and justice. As AI takes on more critical roles, the need for clear explanations becomes urgent to ensure fairness, accountability, and trust. The impact of unexplained AI decisions is felt across many sectors. In healthcare, patients and doctors need to know why a treatment is recommended. In finance, customers want to understand why a loan application is denied. In justice, transparency is vital for fair risk assessments. Even in employment, candidates deserve to know why their resumes are rejected. Without explanations, people may lose trust in AI, leading to resistance and missed opportunities for innovation. Governments and organizations are responding to the need for explainable AI with new regulations. For example, the GDPR in Europe grants individuals the right to explanation for automated decisions. Around the world, regulations are increasing, requiring companies to provide clear, understandable AI outcomes. Corporate governance and ethical business practices are also driving the demand for XAI, making it a necessity for organizations that want to stay compliant and competitive. Without clear explanations, people are hesitant to adopt AI for critical decisions. This trust crisis can slow down innovation and limit the benefits AI can bring. When users don't understand or trust AI, they may reject its recommendations, even if they're accurate. Explainable AI bridges this gap by making decisions transparent and understandable. paving the way for broader acceptance and responsible use of AI technologies. Explainable AI uses a range of techniques to make decisions transparent. Some methods are model-specific, meaning they're built into the AI itself. For example, decision trees use clear if-then rules, linear models show feature importance weights, and rule-based systems rely on explicit, human-readable rules. These approaches make it easy to trace how a decision was made, which is especially valuable in regulated industries. Other XAI techniques are model-agnostic, meaning they can be applied to any AI system. Lime, for example, creates local explanations for specific predictions, while SHAP shows how each feature contributed to a decision. Counterfactuals help users understand what would need to change to get a different outcome. These tools are powerful because they bring transparency to even the most complex AI models. Visualization is a key part of explainable AI. Techniques like attention maps show which parts of an image the AI focused on, while feature importance charts highlight which factors mattered most in a decision. Saliency maps can reveal important input regions, making it easier for users to see what influenced the AI's choices. These visual tools help bridge the gap between complex algorithms and human understanding. Let's look at a practical example. Suppose an AI system denies a loan application. With XAI, the system can explain its decision. Application denied because your credit score is below 65040% weight. Your debt-to-income ratio is too high, 35%, and you have limited credit history, 25%. This level of detail helps users understand what went wrong and what they can do to improve their chances in the future. In healthcare, explainable AI is transforming the way medical professionals diagnose and treat patients. XAI can clarify which symptoms led to a particular recommendation, making it easier for doctors to trust and act on AI advice. It also helps medical students learn diagnostic patterns and supports regulatory compliance by providing clear, auditable decision paths. This transparency is vital for patient safety and trust. In the financial sector, XAI is used to explain credit decisions, detect fraud, and ensure regulatory compliance. Customers benefit from understanding why their applications are approved or denied, while banks can audit AI systems for fairness and accuracy. This level of transparency not only builds trust but also helps organizations avoid costly errors and legal issues. Explainable AI is essential for autonomous vehicles. It helps engineers and regulators understand why a car made specific driving decisions, which is crucial for accident analysis and determining responsibility. By making these decisions transparent, XAI builds public trust in self-driving technology and supports the safe deployment of autonomous vehicles on our roads. In human resources, XAI helps explain hiring and promotion decisions, identify bias in recruitment processes, and ensure fair compensation practices. By making these processes transparent, organizations can build more inclusive workplaces and avoid discrimination. XAI also empowers candidates to understand and improve their applications, creating a fairer job market for all. In the criminal justice system, explainable AI is used to clarify risk assessment scores, identify factors in sentencing recommendations, and ensure fairness in predictive policing. By making these decisions transparent, XAI helps prevent bias and supports the fair administration of justice. This is especially important as AI plays a growing role in legal processes. For businesses, XAI is a powerful tool for risk management. It helps organizations avoid costly errors and lawsuits, meet regulatory requirements, and protect their reputations. By providing clear explanations for AI decisions, companies can identify and address potential issues before they escalate, ensuring smoother operations and stronger stakeholder confidence. Explainable AI doesn't just make systems safer, it also improves decision-making. By learning from AI insights, organizations can refine their processes, identify data quality issues, and discover new business patterns. XAI turns AI from a mysterious black box into a valuable source of actionable knowledge, driving continuous improvement and innovation. User adoption is critical for the success of any AI system. When customers and employees understand how AI works, they're more likely to accept its recommendations and use it confidently. Explainable AI builds this trust by making decisions transparent and verifiable, leading to higher satisfaction and stronger relationships between users and technology. Organizations that embrace explainable AI gain a significant competitive edge. They can build more reliable systems, achieve faster regulatory approval, and develop stronger customer relationships. By prioritizing transparency, these companies position themselves as leaders in ethical and responsible AI, attracting customers, partners, and top talent. Explainable AI accelerates innovation by making it easier to debug and improve models, transfer knowledge between teams, and build on understood patterns. When everyone can see how AI works, collaboration and creativity flourish. This openness leads to faster development cycles and more robust, effective AI solutions. One of the biggest challenges in XAI is balancing explainability and accuracy. Often, the most accurate AI models are also the least explainable, while simpler models are easier to understand but less powerful. Finding the right balance is crucial for deploying AI that is both effective and trustworthy. This trade-off is a central issue in the ongoing development of explainable AI. XAI methods can be technically complex and computationally expensive. Sometimes, the explanations themselves are hard to understand, and different methods may even give conflicting results. Overcoming these technical hurdles is essential for making XAI accessible and practical for real-world use. Researchers and engineers are working hard to simplify and standardize XAI tools. Human factors also play a big role in XAI. People may overtrust explanations, or explanations can be manipulated to mislead. Cultural differences affect what kinds of explanations are preferred. It's important to design XAI systems that are not only technically sound, but also sensitive to human psychology and social context. The legal landscape for XAI is still evolving. Different industries and countries have varying standards, and there is no universal agreement on what constitutes a sufficient explanation. This regulatory uncertainty makes it challenging for organizations to know exactly how to comply. Staying informed and adaptable is key as laws and guidelines continue to develop. A subtle but important distinction in XAI is between explaining how a decision was made and why it was made. While we can often describe the process, understanding the deeper reasons requires causal reasoning and domain expertise. True understanding goes beyond surface-level explanations and involves connecting AI decisions to real-world causes and effects. Looking ahead, the future of explainable AI is bright and full of innovation. Emerging trends include automated explanation generation, standardized XAI frameworks, and integrated XAI tools for developers. Research is pushing into areas like causal explanations, interactive and personalized explanation styles, and real-time explainability. As these advances take shape, XAI will become an even more integral part of AI development and deployment. Explainable AI isn't just for tech experts, it's important for everyone. Developers can build better systems, businesses can deploy AI with confidence, and society can ensure that AI is fair and ethical. For users, XAI means understanding and trusting the technology that affects their lives. By making AI transparent and understandable, we democratize its benefits and empower people to participate in the AI revolution. In conclusion, explainable AI is not just a technical feature, it's a fundamental requirement for responsible AI development. As AI systems take on more important roles in our lives, the ability to understand and trust their decisions becomes non-negotiable. The goal is clear: AI systems that are not only intelligent, but also understandable, trustworthy, and aligned with human values. By working together, we can build AI that truly serves humanity.